Hello children. So in the last video we studied lesson 28 greedy Augustus Gloop. Okay, so today we will do the exercise part. So you all open page number 116. Page number 116. Okay, so we'll start with the first exercise. Match the words taken from the passage with their meaning by drawing a line from each word to its meaning. So first word is dangling. So dangling means what? Hanging freely. So 1E. Enormous, F, that is huge. Sneaked, A, that is moved secretly trying to avoid being seen. Shriek, C, scream. Scream means shout. Surface, B, the top layer or outside of something. Then here mass, this large amount of something. Okay, so E, F, A, C, B, D. Next is children, read the passage and answer the following question. See, this same passage is not going to come in the exam. Any unseen passage will come. Okay, so no need to write questions of this. I just want you all to search the answers yourself, because in exams like this passage will come and you have to write answer by your own. So I'll just discuss the answer orally so that you can know how to write the answers. So explanation I have done. So let's see what are the answers for these questions. What was the great brown river made of? So what was it made of? It was made up of rich, warm, creamy chocolate. Okay, it was made up of warm, rich, creamy chocolate. Which two words describe what the waterfall was doing to the chocolate? So what are the two words that describe? You can say churning and mixing. Okay. What were the glass pipes doing? The glass pipes were actually sucking up the chocolate river and sending the brown chocolate to a place that nobody could see. Describe how Augustus Gloop fell into the river. Now you have to describe how it fell. So what had happened? Augustus Gloop had sneaked down the river and at first was kneeling on the bank, scooping hot melted chocolate into his mouth as fast as he could. But then what happened? Because he was greedy, so he lay full length after that. And if he lay full length on the ground and he stretched his head, and then what happened? He started lapping up the chocolate like a dog, and soon he lost his balance and fell into the chocolate river. So thus he fell into the river. What happened to Augustus Gloop? What happened after that? After he had fallen into the chocolate river, Augustus had disappeared at first, and then he was getting sucked closer and closer towards the mouth of one of the pipes that were hanging down the river, and suddenly what happened? He was pulled under the surface and then into the mouth of the pipe, and after some time he shot up, his head came out first through the pipe, and then for a time he was stuck in the pipe, but then the solid mass of chocolate pushing against him sent him flying out like a bullet from the gun. Okay, so this happened to Augustus Gloop. Now let's see the exercise part, grammar part. Fill in the blanks with appropriate preposition. Preposition we have to fill it with. Dash the bottom of the valley was a river. So at the bottom of the valley was a river. Augustus was lapping up the chocolate greedily. The man knelt on the ground and prayed. Augustus was deaf to the cries of his parents. The boy was scooping food into his mouth as fast as he could. Fill in each blank with a suitable article, a, and, or, the. So we see the teacher took the children. Why the children? Because we know the children, any particular children are being talked about. So we will say the children. Obviously children means many. You will not say a children or an children. Okay. And their parents into the classroom. Or classroom is also known. So we'll say the classroom to show them the work the children had done. So some particular work is being taught. So the work the children had done. It's like again definite particular children. So the children. Augustus was a 9-year-old boy. He went on an interesting journey. It is a vowel I. So an interesting journey. Up shot Augustus like a bullet in the barrel of a gun. Okay. Now let's see the antonyms, that is opposite. Beautiful, ugly, ugly. Hot, cold. Far, near. Down, up. Fast, slow. Under, above. Give the synonyms of, means similar meaning. Great, you can write big also or huge also, both are correct. Disappeared, vanished. Okay, see it is in past tense, so here also you will write ed, past tense, vanished. vanished. Yelled means shouted. Don't write shout because here it is given yelled, past tense. Little, tiny or small, both are correct. Okay, so this was the book exercise of this chapter. So I want you all to fill these exercise. Thank you.